Now take this with a pinch of salt because I am myself not very convinced by this particular thing, but apparently there's a new leak for Attack on Titan manga chapter 138 and let's just talk about it. So hello and welcome to Undervisey, my name is Soham and let's have a look at this new Titan form of Eren because this is looking pretty interesting in my opinion. Now in my last two videos, I talked about an entity called CT Eren and we were all very confused as to what exactly is going on here. Some were saying that maybe this is a reference to Eren's coordinate Titan form, or maybe some were even saying that this is probably a colossal Titan form, even though that really didn't make much of a sense. But now after witnessing these leaks, things are making a lot more sense in my opinion. Even though once again I'm telling you all to take this with a pinch of salt because I am not 100% sure myself if this is a legit leak or not. We will totally not be able to understand until and unless the official chapter is out. But still I just want to have a brief and small discussion in this particular regard as to what exactly is going on here. Be sure that once the chapter is officially out, I'm going to give my full explanations about these things, so please be rest assured about that. But in the meantime, let's have a look at this particular picture, and as you can see here, we can see the head of Eren, which is looking very similar to the Founding Titan's head, but his body is totally different. This is not the regular body of the Founding Titan, and it is kind of similar to the Colossal Titan's form after it has been shrinked out of all the steam that it had. And according to the leaks, this Titan form appears right after the explosion that Armin did, and it apparently fought Armin one-on-one. Moreover, it also had the ability to blow up Armin, and as a result of this, Armin's current whereabouts is unknown, and from this information it seems pretty clear that this is indeed a Colossal Titan or a variant of the Colossal Titan because it has the power to concentrate energy and blow itself up, which is very reminiscent of the Colossal Titan's powers. Now the question here is that, is this really a variant of the Colossal Titan or is this just a remnant of the Founding Titan's power where it can mimic the other Titans? I think the latter is the actual case here. Eren does not actually have the full powers of the Colossal Titan, but rather because he is the Founding Titan, the main Titan, he has some remnants of the original 9 Titan powers and he can maybe utilize some of them to his own extent, to suit his own agenda. Now the obvious question here is that can he do that for the other Titans as well? I think the answer should be yes, because at the end of the day he is the Founding Titan. It was after all the Founding Titan from where all the other Titans came from, so it's not wrong to assume that he definitely has some control or some powers left of the original 9 Titans. Moreover, we have to remember about Ymir and the Paths and how it had the powers of all the prior Titan wielders, so probably that is actually the case that is happening here. So overall, yes, I do think that this is a new form of Eren's Titan and this is looking pretty interesting in my opinion, and it is looking very, let's just say, lanky. And once again, I'd like to remind you all that please take this with a pinch of salt. Once again, I'm not 100% sure if this is an actual and legit leak. We will probably have to wait until the official chapter is out to know more about them. And once that chapter is out, obviously I'm going to talk about all of these things in much more details. So in the meantime, please just hold on a bit. So what do you guys think about this particular thing? Please mention your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's it for today guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. This is Undervisey and I'll see you soon in the next video.